Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to add font in Google Docs. So you probably know in Google Docs there are a bunch of fonts that you can use or choose in your file. But if you want to add more fonts, like more variety of fonts, I can show you how you can do that. So first, you need to open the Google Docs and then go to the font option. Click on that, and then here at the top you'll see there is more fonts options, and you can just click on that, and in here you'll be directed to the fonts that is variety of fonts that you can choose and add to your Google Docs. So for example, I want to add the okay, so the indie flower font, just click on that, and then you can also add more than one. The satisfy, for example, I want to add permanent marker and Bree Sheriff, for example, and then after that, if you're done, just click on OK, and here at the font, you'll see there is the fonts that you've been added will be shown in here. Satisfy, permanent marker, and also the bridge serif. So yeah, that's basically the simple tutorial on how you can add font in Google Docs. I hope this video will help you, and if you like the video, please do click on the thumbs up icon. Don't forget to leave a comment and also subscribe to our channel. See you at the next tutorial. Bye.